morning and hello everybody. Namaste. I'm Dr. Sanjay Jain from Nagpur. Hope you are doing fine in this COVID lockdown era. It's the worst pandemic we are facing in our lifetime. Uh, People who are very prone for the COVID infections are people who are diabetic, who are hypertensive, ISD, and who are immunocompromised due to any reason because of the cancer, because of the HIV, and they are on the higher side of the age, maybe beyond 65. So we have to follow certain instruction. Of course, most important is that you have to follow the instruction given by the government for the lockdown, and you must stay home to avoid any catching infection from outside. So that's the most important thing I must say. And for my diabetic patient, I must say they should follow the whatever life discipline they are following earlier. They should follow in the same way. Most important thing, particularly the elderly diabetic who are staying alone, they should be taking care of their medicine properly. They should see that the stock of the medicine is properly maintained, and if they are taking medicine, they should eat properly. Because in case of hypoglycemia, that will be the worst scenario. There will be nobody to take care, and right now the transport is also a big problem. So they have to be very careful. They should not land up in hypoglycemia. At the same time, they should not be having uncontrolled diabetes. So they should be checking their blood sugar regularly as they are doing earlier. They should call the doctor if there is any need and they fear if they are going into hypoglycemia, there is a sweating, there is excessive hunger, they are feeling uneasy, giddy, they should call the doctor anytime. Secondly, regarding the exercise, they can do exercise at home. Even in the lockdown, they can walk up and down if possible, or around the home. If there is a garden, they can walk inside the garden. They can walk and they can do the home whatever possible, because we are not calling the maids and the servant inside the home. So they can do that activity that can be considered as exercise. So they should do at least mild exercise, yoga, stretching, pranayama, whatever, 30 to 40 minutes a day. Secondly, they should be not get panic. There should be no depression. They should keep the mood high. They should involve in a lot of constructive activities like reading, like gardening. They can even go for a cooking and learn so many things from the YouTube and keep themselves busy. There should be no panic any time in their throughout the lockdown period. And one most important thing is that even though there is a lot of time, they must sleep uninterruptedly between 6 to 9 hours. Ideally, it should be between 7 to 8 hours, but they can sleep either in the daytime, sometime in the day, and sometime in the night, or at least 6 to 9 hours. That will improve the immune system of their body. And once everything is under control, they should try to keep the sugar fasting between 90 to 120, and post meal between 40 to 160. And in the elderly age group, they can even go up to 180 to 100. So need not. The most important thing, they should not develop any hypoglycemia. So these are the few instructions, but all medicine should be taken on a time. If you feel that there is the medicine is going to get exhausted, call the medicine 1 week earlier. And you should avoid the high calorie diet, should avoid smoking, excessive alcohol in moderation if you are taking it regularly, and no tobacco in any form. Smoking or the tobacco chewing should be, that should be under control in this situation. You should not develop any problem, and you should take plenty of water, plenty of salads, plenty of fruits, but should not take any high calorie diet. I'm talking particularly in reference to the diabetic. And if there is any infections, you should be very careful with that. And I've told you earlier also, the most important thing is that you should avoid hyperglycemia as well as hypoglycemia. And particularly in the old age group, the hypoglycemia is very pertinent. It should be avoided at any cost. You should avoid at any cost. And I think that's enough of the but always keep the personal number of your doctor by your side or in your mobile, where somebody can contact immediately. Because if they are particularly the people who are remaining alone, elderly couples or the elderly man. So stay at home and stay safe. Thank you very much.